which could be on that night when the mob attacked the doctors started running for their life. We once upon called as the savior of people. All these doctors were running to save their life. And the tragedy was that the police were running in front of doctors. When the doctors started asking, Dr. Bhaiya, please save us. They said, what we can save you? We have to save ourselves first. So this is the pathetic state that our country is in as far as medical healthcare facilities and the hospitals are concerned. There has to be a stop to all this one fine day. And this is why we have gathered together here. Based on IME headquarters directives, we have called for a shutdown today for 24 hours, and we have certain specific demand. Demand number one, justice for our colleague who has sacrificed her life and for her bereaved family by catching hold of culprit at earliest and giving them the most severe punishment possible to the extent of capital punishment, and this has to happen at the earliest. Number two, to give the safe working environment across all the hospitals in India. You know, when you go to the airport, they are declared as safe zones, but not the hospitals. We demand that the hospital should be declared as safe zones, especially for the women who are working at the workplace. They should feel very secured. If the women don't feel safe at the workplace, where are they going to feel safe? They have to go back and stay at our daughter back. But we can definitely compensate the family members of the bereaved family by a monetary compensation which is appropriate to the crime. This is our demand number 3. And violence against the doctors. Now, this is not the case of a woman or doctor woman who was assaulted and murdered at workplace. This is a universal case of a woman who has been assaulted and murdered at the workplace. It is not, we are not talking about the doctor woman. This becomes a universal issue. This becomes a national issue. So this is what we are asking for. And today we are going to meet we have a memorandum for Goa government where we have certain demands. We all know that Goa Medical Act is in place, but it is only in place. It is never being implemented. I have seen the cases of violence against the doctors way back from 2010. The culprit has not been arrested, not been prosecuted, nothing has been done. We keep on meeting here every year, year by year. We give speeches, we go back and we resume to our normal work. But I think we should be determined today that we should put a stop to all this. We are asking for amendment in Goa Medical Act. We are asking for a fast-track disposal of cases of violence against the doctors. We are asking for law enforcing agencies to get sensitized regarding the safety of healthcare workers. We are asking for special district task force who will act immediately on any incident and any episodes of violence against the doctors. And most important, we are asking for the review of all the medical facilities by the government. Go around and see how safe and secure these places are, especially when it comes to a working woman at workplace. This is our prime demand. So I stop here, and we will continue this fight for justice for doctors. And now onwards, we are going to have a silent march. We will proceed to our old Goa Medical Complex, where most of us have graduated from. and will vent out the emotion there. I will hand it over to Dr. Chandrakant Shethe, our own senior member of IMA, to speak a few words.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. आज जे आम्ही हांगा सगळे जमलेले आसात ते म्हज्या बरोबर आसात आमचे IMA प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर संदेश सोळंकर, सिनियर कलिग्स डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर, डॉक्टर रुपीन मोंटेरो, कस्तूर पाटलेकर, ऑल द सिनियर कलिग्स, म्हजे सगळे फ्रेंड्स, ऑल अदर्स असोसिएशन, गोवा डेंटल असोसिएशन, गोवा मेडिकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असोसिएशन. आतांच तुमकां डॉक्टर संदेश सोळंकरान सगळें सांगलेलें आसा. एक लक्षात दवरुपा जाय, हो जो आज इन्सिडंट जाला हो इन्सिडंट जर परत रिपीट जावपाक जायना जाल्यार वी एज अ डॉक्टर कम्युनिटी वी हॅव टू बी सिरियस अबाउट इट. आमी आवाज उठोवपाक जाय. आज कशें आसा, एज अ MLA म्हणून सांगता, सरकार डॉक्टरांच्या डिमांड्साचेर सिरियस केन्ना केन्ना नासता. सगळ्यान व्हडलें कारण जर सिरियस नासता जाल्यार आमी युनायटेड नासता, आमची स्ट्रेंथ नासता. आमी सरकाराक दाखोवन दिवपाक जाय. तुमकां खबर आसा हो जो इन्सिडंट जाला आर्जीकर हॉस्पिटलान, हो इन्सिडंट फक्त एक लेडी डॉक्टराचेर जावंक ना, जाल्यार आमच्या सगळ्या भयणींचेर जाला, आमच्या चलयांचेर जाला, आमच्या आवयचेर जाला. दोतोरान जशें सांगलां, जर वर्क प्लेसीर लेडीज, जर आमचे भयणी, आवय, आमची भुरगीं जर सेफ ना जाल्यार खंय सेफ आसतली. आमचो सगळ्यात पयलीं जर व्हडलो डिमांड आसतलो जाल्यार हॉस्पिटल हॅज टू बी अ सेफ झोन म्हणून डिक्लेअर करपाचें, आनी ताका जितकी सेक्युरिटी दिवपाक जाय ही सरकारान आपूण दिवपाक जाय. सरकार आज जर तुमी पळयशात एअरपोर्टार गेल्यात सगळी कडेन इतली सेक्युरिटी आसता, कोणाचेच गड्स नासता कितें म्हणपाचें, सादें एक लायन क्रॉस करपाची गड्स नासता. तुमी सगळे जाण एअरपोर्टार गेल्ले आसा. हॉस्पिटलान कोणीय येता, कोणायक खिच्या डॉक्टराक कितें म्हणटा, कितेंय थापड मारता वता, खबर आसा कांयच जावचें ना म्हणून. सो इट हॅज टू बी स्ट्रिक्टली इम्प्लिमेंटेड ऑल ओवर इंडिया विथ टायम्स टू कम. आज जर आमी स्ट्रिक्ट रावनात, सरकार कडेन जर स्ट्रिक्टली डिमांड करना आनी करून घेना जाल्यार परत केन्ना जावचें ना. ओन्ली थिंग कशें जातलें, आतां जशें सांगलें, परत कितें तरी इन्सिडंट जातलो, आमी हांगा येतले, गोवा घातले एक दीस. आनी पळयात, आमी डॉक्टर इतले सेन्सिटीव आसात. आज आमी स्ट्रायक म्हणटात, आज 6 AM टू फाल्यां 6 AM, तरी पूण आमी इमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस दिता. सो इन्स्पायट ऑफ सगळे आमचेर हे जाता, अत्याचार जाता, आमी मार खातात, आमच्या हांगा कोणाचो रेप जाता, मर्डर जाता, तरी आमी आमच्या ड्युटी पासून दिवना. आमचेच कोण तरी भाव भयण इमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस दितात, अशें कोणाकच ना की बाबा सर्विसीस दिनात. सो त्यामुळे आमी इतके समजून जर आमकां सरकार समजना, दुसरो आसा जो ऑडियन्स येवपाक जाय, जो अमेंडमेंट जावपाक जाय, तो ऑडियन्स इमिजिएटली काडपाचो आनी येता त्या असेंब्लीन इट हॅज टू बी कन्वर्टेड इन टू अमेंडमेंट, इट हॅज टू बी कन्वर्टेड इन द एक्ट. आनी तो एक्ट असो आसपाक जाय की इमिजिएटली जेन्ना खंयच्याय डॉक्टराचेर हल्लो जाता, अत्याचार जाता, रेप जाता, मर्डर जाता, द फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग FIR हॅज टू बी लॉन्च इमिजिएटली. देर इज नो कंप्लेन, FIR हॅज टू बी लॉन्च. मोमेंट FIR लॉन्च जाली, डिटेल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावन टायम पिरियडान ताका रिजल्ट दिता म्हणून तेन्ना केन्ना आमकां जस्टीस मेळटा. जस्टीस डिलेड इज डिनायड, कांय फायदो नासता. तिसरें, जी फॅमिलीचे, तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी हो इन्सिडंट जाणात, तुमकां कोणाक सांगपाची गरज ना, तुम्ही सगळे व्हिडिओज पळयल्ले आसात. एकूच चली आशिल्ली त्यांची, आनी दे आर मिडल क्लास टू लो. सो ते जे फॅमिलीक आसा, एक म्हणटात ते लुकींग एट ऑल द फ्युचर सिच्युएशन जाला, तांकां पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन दिवपाचें. त्या दीस आमचेच डॉक्टर भावांनी स्ट्रायक काडलो आनी तांच्यांनी अटॅक केल्लो आसा. आनी हे कशें जावपाक शकता? तुमी इमॅजीन करा, अशें जर खंयच्या एका VVIPचेर जाल्लें जाल्यार अशेंच सोडटले आसले ते सोडचे नासले न्ही. ते करून पळयात तुमी. सादी VIPची गाडी वताना जर तुमी मदींच गाडी घेतल्यार तुमकां कितें जाता तुमकां खबर आसा? इमिजिएटली तुमकां पुलीस स्टेशनार आपूण सबंदीस बसयतले, ब्लॉक करून दाखयत तिच्या VVIPची गाडी. सो हाचेर कितें जाता? सो दॅट फॅमिली हॅज टू बी कंपॅन्सेटेड, हॅज टू बी गिवन द प्रॉपर पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन.
Doctor, another demand should be our inhumanly hours that our doctors work,
Yes.
our students work.
Yes, आमची जी
36
भुरगीं जी
hours,
आहेत
48 hours
yes
is not
correct,
done
they are
at all.
working for more than 24 hours, 36 hours. This has to be considered. Every other places they will have 8 hours duty or max 9-hour duties and then overtime. For doctors nothing is there. And people expect lot from doctors. Why doctors are not human beings? They don't have their families and all. So all these our demands which Dr. Sanjay says, I didn't wanted to repeat. I just wanted to say that government has to be serious and we have to force them to be serious. Unless we force them, nobody will be serious. They are sure, government is now sure here also. We will go here from GMC and then disperse home. That's all. Nothing is happening, nothing is going to hamper. You think the facilities, medical facilities has hampered because we have taken OPD break? Nothing has happened. So we have to make them serious. As a doctor, I am always there with my fraternity for anything.
Actually, आम्ही म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी हांगा आयल्या फर्स्ट टायम अशें जालां की आमी नॉर्मली येता केन्ना दोतोराक थापटा पडटा की म्हणजे देर इज सम प्रॉब्लेम विथ द पेशंट एंड पेशंटच्या रिलेटिवा कडेन झगडया आनी ती समटायम्स अंडरस्टँडेबल की आमचें कम्युनिकेशन गॅप आसता आमी मातशें लेट पावता कितें जाता सम प्रॉब्लेम इज देर एंड दॅट टायम सायकोलॉजिकली पेशंट दीस इज द फर्स्ट टायम देर इज नो पेशंट्स आर इनवॉल्ड हियर देर इज अ डिफरंट वर्क प्लेस एट वर्क प्लेस ladies are being violated and she murdered. I remember in my 45 years of medicine, 1978 आम्ही join झाले medicine. So almost 46 म्हाका दिसता वर्सां जालीं आतां. Only 2 cases at workplace. Only 2. First is आमची अरुणा शानबाग. If you all remember, that happened in KEM. That she was raped by a ward boy and ताका साखळी मारली ताका आणि she could not die also and she could not survive also. She was in comatose for almost more than 20-25 years. Comatose. And the sister taje care घेताली and she died around 5-6 years back. And after that I was searching on a net की Indian आणि खंय at workplace कोणाक murder जाला केला. Most of the murders or rapes have taken place outside the workplace. So this is the second case and this is the eye opener for everybody of us. आमकां सगळ्यांक हे eye opener आसा. The workplace has to be safest place for ladies. As I have said yesterday also, almost 60-70% of our healthcare staff is a ladies. आमच्या वेळा आम्ही 60 भुरगे आशिल्ले भितर म्हाका दिसता 15 चली आसताल्यो आनी बाकी सगळे चले. Today after 160-70 there must be only around 15 or 20 boys. Rest all are girls. So the future is all with the ladies. तांकां जर आमी safe environment दिना जाल्यार it will be very difficult. All hospitals, government hospitals are run by interns, junior residents, senior residents. Consultants come, just say, and what the hospital is surviving on the residents. And what they ask for, मातशें बरें खावपाक दिया, मातशें न्हिदपाक सामकें सेफ दिया, एनवायरमेंट सेफ करा, बरें उदक आमकां पिवपाक दिया, न्हावपाक मातशें उदक दिया, and safe environment. And in the end, who is sufferer? Patient, not the doctors. See, तुझी जर तकली शाबूत ना, you are not in a very healthy environment. Who is the sufferer? Because the patient gets the not good care. So I feel it's a request the government of all. आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक नाही म्हणना. This is for all. आमच्या गव्हर्मेंट कंपॅरेटिव्हली आमकां दिसता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज बऱ्यो फॅसिलिटी आहा. काल तरी ॲटलिस्ट आमच्या डिनान सांगना की जरा सम 300 CCTV कॅमेराज देर अँड देर आर सेक्युरिटी विच आर बेटर दॅन मे बी अदर. कित्याक आमी थोडे कलकत्त्याचे आमचे स्टाफ आहात आमचे कडेन तांचे कडेन उलयल्यार काय म्हणटा थंय पोलीस सुद्दां दिसना तांच्या हॉस्पिटलांत. ओन्ली इन द कॅज्युअलिटी तांचो तो हे घेवपाक आसता MLC करपाक. अदरवायज नो पोलीस. रायट, आवर मेडिकल कॉलेज हॅज गॉट लॉट ऑफ सेक्युरिटी कंपॅरेटिव्हली. बट इट इज अ सच अ ह्यूज कॅम्पस आसता. हेवटेनसून तेवटेन वचप रातचे इज नॉट इजी फॉर देम. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट दॅट आमी सगळें दिलां आमी मेमोरेंडम आयज दिवपाच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक ऑल्सो. सो नाव आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू जस्ट फॉलो अस and then we will go and then we will again speak at our alumni hospital where we are passed out from old Goa Medical College at EST. Thank you very much for coming in a large number. I am thankful to the press and all these who have participated here and given a good publicity for our this movement and all the associations who have gathered. Even physiotherapy has come. then medical representative सगळे हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. So I am really thankful to all of you. And म्हाका सबिना मार्टिनूच हांगा खंय तरी दिशिल्ली. खंय आहा ती मॅडम? Thank you madam for coming because बायलांचो इशू आहा तो. This is basically a बायलांचोच इशू आसा. So I think you all should also fight with this. Thank you very much. आम्ही सपोर्टर. कोणे सही मारून ना मातशें पेटिशनाचेर सही मारा.
उधर आवा मरे
तर फाटी कोण येणार
डॉक्टर अशी रावा तर मातसो रावा अशी रावा ओय दत्ता फाटी यो मरे मातसो
We make more numbers because it is in numbers, not in I know. शेअर करा.
हाँ